Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all doing fine. So today we are having taco. Yum yum yum. Crunch crunch crunch. I haven't put the toppings on yet, but I will. I've already got cheese on. I've got more cheese, because you know me. So we've got some tomatoes with some lettuce. We've got the sour cream. We've got the guacamole. We've got the salsa. And obviously extra cheese. So, what one shall we do first? This one? This one, because it's kind of bulk. Ooh, that's dripping. Right. Right. 1 second. Sour cream. Guacamole. Then some tomatoes. Oh, forgot to put salsa on. Silly salsa. This is gonna be messy. This is gonna be a job, isn't it? Ooh. Right, so first bite. How we're gonna do this. Are you ready? Kind of choked there, guys. Kind of choked. Oh. Really? I just done a bit of sign language right there. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Went to Tesco before. So I forgot to get the guacamole. And coming back, the Starbucks coming out of his, I think it was his mum's house. It's one of those moments where you hope nobody else is around and nobody sees you. It's one of those moments. So he comes out, he turns around, and he walks straight into the gate post. All you heard was, oh! And of course, I seen it all, and I'm trying not to laugh. Because it's like, it's one of those moments where you hope that there's nobody around and sees it. And he like walks towards us, he comes out of the gate and walks towards us. And he looks at us and I look at him and he just smiles and the two would just stop us and I'm laughing. He honestly, walking back I was in hysterics. Couldn't help myself. Couldn't help myself. I'm on top form, guys, making these videos. I've been in the shower, had my hair still wet. She's in the hub because I've given her no mint. But I don't care. Because I've just put her food down. Well, before I made this, I put her food down. So if she's hungry, it's not my problem. It's not. And then my son will go. She might want the toilet. I know what she wants. She's not getting it. I know what she wants and she ain't getting it. As simple as that. I love how now I can eat tacos. Like the hard shell ones. Small. Put some more sour cream on actually. When when the last of the work went. So I had your big juicy burger. I'm like, no. She went by your set. The first, when you've got your, do you think you're going to have a big juicy burger? I went, you should, I did, and that. So that's next on my list. Well, when I get the stuff. But a healthier version. I am one now. My son's had some of these. He's not a huge fan of them. But he had it all the same. Probably enjoyed that. It's the little things. getting me water in. My water intake. Doing good with that. Not gonna lie. I am doing good with my water intake. I can definitely feel the difference getting toilet more. If you know what I mean. Oh. Oh. I think the saw knocked us off a bit because I choked a bit. A bit of the taco got stuck and I couldn't get it out. And that was on the first bite, I think, or the second. But I thoroughly enjoyed that. I did do. Yes, I did. 4 was just about right. Yeah. Got some cheese. Wow. I just cleared my palate. All done. I'm gonna go because these bangers are starting in. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like these type of videos, please press like and subscribe. Press that ding dong bell. If you would like, you can share the video if you want. Or if you don't want, that's totally fine. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!